Video for oxy acids of sulfur. Oxy acids of sulfur. So sulfur when react with oxygen and hydrogen, they form oxy acids. Sulfur oxy acids are there are four series are there. There are four series. One is sulfurous acid series. Sulfurous acid series one, and second one is sulfuric acid series. Second one is sulfuric acid series. Third one is thionic acid series. Thionic acid series. Fourth one is peroxy sulfuric acid series. Peroxy sulfuric acid series. There are four types of series. In each series there are again some compounds are there. There are four series. One is sulfurous acid series. Second one is sulfuric acid series. Third one is thionic acid series. Fourth one is peroxy sulfuric acid series. So we will discuss about the first one A. First one A I am saying sulfurous acid series. Sulfurous acid series. In this there are four compounds are there. In this series four compounds are there. Very important. These are first one sulfurous acid H2SO3. H2SO3. This is the structure. The formula is H2SO3. Structure is this. And oxidation state of sulfur. Oxidation state of sulfur is +4. This sulfur oxidation state is +4. Here the shape is this. Here there are two OH groups, so that's why basicity is 2. Basicity is equal to number of OH groups. Basicity is equal to number of OH groups. Next to thiosulfurous acid. Thiosulfurous acid H2S2O2. Its structure is this. Its structure is this. So here the middle sulfur is +4 oxidation state. The sulfur double bonded sulfur is -2 oxidation state. Double bonded sulfur is -2. Always double bond O -2, double bond S also -2. Here the middle sulfur is +4 oxidation state. Next third one dithionous acid. Dithionous acid H2S2O4 formula. Another name is hyposulfurous acid series. Hyposulfurous acid. Its structure is this. There is a SS bond to OH groups, so two S double bond O groups. Here both sulfurs are +3 oxidation states. And here also basicity 2. Basicity is equal to number of OH groups. Next fourth compound in this series is pyrosulfurous acid. Pyrosulfurous acid. The formula is H2S2O5. H2S2O5. The structure is this. So there is a 3 S double bond O, S double bond O, S double bond O, S double bond O, and 2 OH groups, SOH, SOH. Here oxidation state for the middle sulfur is +5 and this sulfur is +3. This is +3 oxidation state and it is +5 oxidation state. So next series is second one is sulfuric acid series. Sulfuric acid series. In that there are three compounds are there. One is sulfuric acid. Formula H2SO4. Its structure is this. Here there are two OH groups and two S double bond O groups. Sulfur oxidation state is +6. So there are two OH groups. Basicity 2. Next thiosulfuric acid. Formula H2S2O3. H2S2O3. If hydrogens are displaced by sodium, Na2S2O3, if you write, that is called hypo. That is a hypo. Na2S2O3 is hypo. Here is this is a thiosulfuric acid. So the structure is this. Here there are two OH groups. So basicity is 2. S double bond S link is there in this case. S double bond S, S double bond O. So here this sulfur is -2. Always S double bond S is present. The ending sulfur is -2. The middle sulfur is a +6 oxidation state. Middle sulfur is +6 oxidation state. Next one, third one is pyrosulfuric acid. These are all ic acids. Ic. First one is us acids. So pyrosulfuric acid, the famous name is that is oleum. This is also called oleum H2S2O7. The structure is this. Here there are two OH groups and SOS linkage is present. SOS linkage. And there are S double bond O, S double bond O, S double bond O, S double bond O. 4 S double bond O's. And both sulfurs are +6 oxidation state. +6 and +6 oxidation state. So next third one, thionic acid series. Thionic acid series, in that there are two compounds. Dithionic acid. Dithionic acid H2S2O6. This is the structure. Here each sulfur is +5 oxidation state. +5. There are two OH group, basicity 2. Next polythionic acid. Polythionic acid H2SX and O6. H2SX O6. Here X equal to N+2. N number of sulfurs are present and these are +2. In here 1 + 1 2. If N equal to 2, then always this value is added to 2 sulfurs. So that's why N+2. So here oxidation state, if you see, here this ending sulfurs are +5 and this is +5. And here sulfur is attached to another sulfur, X number of sulfurs. So sulfur attached to only other sulfur. So the middle sulfur oxidation state is 0. If any element attached to other same element, the oxidation state is considered as a 0. So adjacent sulfurs or ending sulfurs are +5, the middle sulfurs are 0. That is polythionic acid. Next, fourth, last type of series is peroxy acid series. Peroxy acid series, very important. Peroxy monosulfuric acid H2SO5. H2SO5. The structure is here. So peroxy means there is a OO single bond. If OO single bond is present, that is a peroxy link. Peroxy link. OO single bond. So peroxy monosulfuric acid. This is H2SO5. Here there are two OH groups. Here the middle sulfur oxidation state is +6. This oxygen -2. Next, peroxy disulfuric acid. Peroxy disulfuric acid. This peroxy monosulfuric acid also called Carose acid. Carose acid. Next, peroxy disulfuric acid H2S2O8. H2S2O8. This is also called Marshall acid. Its structure is like this. OO bond, OO peroxy linkage is middle. Peroxy link. This is OO link is always called peroxy. Here this is a peroxy link. So here ending sulfurs. Here sulfurs are +6 oxidation state. Next, among these all oxy acids, in all oxy acids of sulfur hybridization is sp3. Sulfur hybridization is sp3 and geometry is tetrahedral.